Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your phone. First we need to download and install the Fossil Hybrid smartwatch application on our phone. So let's open the App Store on our phone. In the App Store, let's tap on the search bar. Now, let's type in Fossil Hybrid smartwatch, then tap search, and on the list of apps you should see this Fossil Hybrid smartwatches developed by Fossil Group. Tap on this app to select it. Now tap on the install button to install the app. Let's wait. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on get started. Now we need to either create an account for the app or log into an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login right here. But if you need to make an account, here you have a page. You can type in email address, password, and create an account. I'm just gonna tap on login, tap right here and enter my email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you enter the password, you can tap on login to continue. Once you log in, you should see the home page of the app. You can tap on the profile icon right here. Then tap on pair your watch, or pair your first watch rather. Then tap continue. Here, if you don't have the location permissions allowed for this app, you need to tap on enable. Tap OK, then allow the location permission. You can do it only this time or while using the app. I'm gonna select while using the app. Now let's tap on continue. The app should start searching for our watch. As you can see, it found it. So let's tap on this is my watch. Now let's tap on continue. We need to press the middle button to accept the pairing. Here let's tap on continue, basically. And once you see again the home page, you can tap on profile icon, and here you should have the watch on the list. That means that the devices are paired. You can tap on the settings icon and see some information like battery level and if it's active, like that. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.